Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hello and welcome back in. Our severe outlook has not changed much over the day today. We still have just a level 3 risk here across a good portion of Kentucky. We will likely use this in some portions of the state as these storms roll on, especially right now in western Kentucky where it's already ongoing. The only thing that I'm really watching here in terms of who's going to get storms and who's not is the northward extent of the threat of severe weather here as we head into tonight. Currently, this is what it looks like on satellite and radar. We are in the dry period, the rehab period, the area of this setup that is going to try to recharge the atmosphere where the sun is shining. We've got clouds and thunderstorms already working, and they are severe in western Kentucky. There was confirmed tornado warnings already ongoing. Those are in Todd County until 6:45 p.m. And we've got more storms firing out in front of this main line. What these storms out in front will do to hinder that storm line coming in was yet to be seen, but we will be hoping that they can take enough juice, zap it out of the atmosphere so that maybe the severe threat tones down as it gets a little bit closer. But nonetheless, we are going to need to watch for some severe weather tonight because here it is. The home view is clear in some spots, especially in northern Kentucky. A bit more cloud cover in southern Kentucky, which could be helpful for us there. But this is where we need to look too in temperatures. We've got upper 70s to near 80 degrees again in areas that saw the showers and storms earlier in the afternoon. Eastern Kentucky has not recovered much at all. That's a good sign for us to keep that threat for severe weather a little lower further east. But here's the other point. We have dew points that are starting to climb into the upper 60s to low 70s. Lots of juice available for storms as they roll through. In the latest update, we have a tornado watch that's now including Casey County until 11 p.m. There's already been a discussion that this needs to be extended to include more of our southern counties. However far north this goes has yet to be seen again because the ingredients are better further to the south. Here's what we're looking at for threats. Straight line winds, certainly a possibility. Embedded tornadoes within this line of storms as it comes in, also a possibility. And then heavy rainfall leading to the potential for some more flash flooding. Hail is in there, but it's not one of our higher risks as we roll through it. And you can see here on Futurecast already, this is now by 8:30. So within the next 2 hours at most, those storms are going to be rolling in. This is a bit jumbled, a bit messy, and this northern tier here looks like it's already weakened quite a bit. So our best threats are going to be across the southern half of our viewing area for the chance of more severe weather. Unfortunately, that does include places like Somerset and in Pulaski County as well as London in Laurel County. Now this is 10:30 p.m. Storms are still rolling into eastern Kentucky, but quickly they move on. By midnight, maybe closer to 1 a.m., we're going to be free and clear. Severe threats should be over by that time. We don't have any more in the forecast through the rest of this week, maybe even into early next week. A few showers are going to be possible at times tomorrow, but we're not going to see much else here until we get to Thursday with more scattered rain. Not much in storms. We have a flood watch in play too for everybody in green here until 2 a.m. on Wednesday for the heavy rainfall that's expected to come in. And then once we get past it, here's kind of what we're looking at. Tomorrow, breezy, slightly cooler, some spotty showers, but a mostly dry day for many. And then temperatures, they take a tumble further into Thursday. Scattered rain is back on the table, but we should move away from any kind of thunderstorm activity. Friday, unseasonably cool, but becoming pleasant. And then we look towards your holiday weekend as that warmer air gets replaced by all the cooler air. Well, you'll see it pop up here on the 7-day forecast. Those temperatures are going to try to climb. Only thing we'll be watching there is the chance for maybe a few more showers and storms into your Memorial Day itself.